What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In the previous time we have talked about continue and break, and this time we gonna talk about pass. For example, at first we set the list equals 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we set a for loop for I in list and print I. Execute it. As you can see, it shows 1 to 5. In the same way, we copy this code and execute it again. Yeah, you will get syntax error. What's wrong? Because it cannot be an empty statement in this for loop. So what should we do? We just put the pass in this and execute it again. It works. Because suppose that we set a loop or a function, we don't have implemented it, and we will implement it in the future, and it cannot be an empty statement, so we can use pass statements temporarily. Alright, let's go on and take a look. We set I equals 0 and set a while loop I and pass, execute it. It works, and set a function, diff function request and pass, and set a class example pass. It works. Alright, it is very simple, right? Today we have talked about how to use pass and what's the concept of pass. If you like this video, please keep thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.